Very good morning, sir. There is some technical issues. That is the reason I couldn't able to see that option to add members. I can only see an option to share. Okay. Ramesh sir has been joined. Okay. Hello, Ramesh sir.
Hello, Naveen Avare. Good morning.
Very good morning, sir. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Please add other members, sir, if you have an option to add. I can only have an option to share invite.
We don't have option to add. We can share the invite. That is for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, that's the only option. I do have that.
Yeah.
So, my request is there is a small community I have created. Okay, so everybody please join to that.
Naveen, yeah, we are not able to see. At least I am not able to see that community where it is, showing or
In Teams, if you already install an app, you can see chat, meet, community, calendar, activity.
hmm.
So, can you please go to the communities?
Communities. But I think this is the official teams we cannot see, no?
Oh, okay. I am not aware that because I'm using, the normal general public, whatever teams they're using, I'm using that. I really don't know the official version of the
We
teams.
have official teams, MS
Mm.
Teams.
Mm-hmm.
That is where the people are trying to join through the Teams app, but it is not allowing us to join through the Teams app because it's you are sending the I think private link.
Correct.
We
It
are
is,
not connected to the yeah.
yeah, it is a personal account. Right now, you're using a business account. Maybe that is a clash.
So I think then we need to
Yeah,
have
yeah, so true. It was really
Difficult.
difficult to join. Now, now I think they have mentioned my wrong email ID. Might be that might be case for me.
So that means you did not receive any mail from me.
Mm,
You did not receive any mail from me. Like I am sending, for every class, I am sending you the notes and welcome mail, thank you mail.
yeah, that is that I am receiving. But when I am joining this Teams meet, no,
Uh-huh.
it is not allowing me, and even then I changed my mail ID to official mail ID, and then it got connected. Livin send me one link, right? Livin.
Oh, okay.
Smi-
Yeah, yeah, yes, Sumi. From here only I shared the link.
Hmm. Okay.
That's why. But for
Okay.
me also it was
see
it didn't join.
we are
Mm.
yeah see we are using the official MS Teams, right? And where Naveen is sharing the private account link. So if you are
Okay.
trying to join through our app which is installed in our lab, it is not allowing
Yes.
it. So we need to join
Okay.
through browser only. So don't use or at least it is not allowing us to connect through our MS app which is installed in
Yeah,
our
Got,
laptop.
it,
got it.
it is
True.
connecting in the browser only at the
Browser
moment.
only, correct. So I
Yes.
think
Yes.
every time we need to connect through browser only so that it will be get connected.
The official app is not allowing you to join directly. That is the issue, right?
Yes, yes.
No,
Somebody is calling, I think.
somebody's calling. Okay.
Ah,
Group call here. Yeah.
Rajesh.
Let me call him. Let me call him.
Rajesh ji, can you hear us?
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Audible.
Great, great, everybody. The meeting. Thank you so much, and sorry for this technical glitch. Okay, how many members are using mobile? Yeah, thank you so much, and sorry for this technical glitch. You all are joined. How many members are joined through mobile? Can you raise your hand or you show some thumbs up? How many members are using mobile to join this meeting? Or is everybody using laptop? I think, yeah, Bhagyalakshmi ma'am using her mobile. Okay. Shruti ma'am using it. Okay. and others are joined through laptop. Great. So because in today's topic, I have already shared a mail. In that mail, if you can able to access through, uh, can you please open the mail and check? I just shared one document, the student handout for today's session. Can you please confirm whether you have received that mail?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Just
Okay. See, the for the first, yes, sir. Yes, please continue.
We received this only that welcome day 3 Kannada classes,
Mm-hmm.
and you mentioned some AI and all the document. No, any document attached. Download the day before.
Yes, yes, yes. The PDF will download, sir.
You can download the PDF.
Correct, correct. That's a PDF file. I just made it as a link, and if you click on that link, and you can able to download it. So this will work you as a guide for this session. How many members is already using AI in your workflow, in your work, or in your personal life? Can you please raise your hand? How many members are using it? I just want to know that, like, are you aware of the interface? Okay, Lavins are using it. Ramesh sir, Rajesh sir, very good. Okay, okay. Ashok sir, welcome to the session, sir. Ashok sir just joined now. I just want to say welcome.
Good morning, Arun. Good morning.
Very good morning, sir. Okay. See, today's topic is we are talking about how to use digital tools and AI tools for your learning experience. Because language is all about practice. How much you practice, that much the command you will get over the language. So that is the reason we're using this technology to work as a partner for you, as a speaking partner, as a learning partner. So that is the context of using the AI tools. So the question is, how many members is already aware of AI tools, or how many members are already using the AI tools on day-to-day basis? So if you already using it, you can confirm, like you can say I'm using it, or else you can raise your hand. Okay, Ramesh ji, very good. Ramesh ji, how are you using AI tools? Are you using chat? Are you using voice mode? Like what kind of AI tool you're using?
so basically it's a chat AI tool only, Naveen. So
Is it created by Volvo, or is it third party application you're
it is
using?
a third party application only.
Okay.
We are using it.
Is it ChatGPT you're talking about?
Yes, ChatGPT and Perplexity
Uh-huh.
and Gamma AI.
Oh
So
my God.
basically, yeah, I'm using quite couple of it.
Great, sir. Great. So very good. Next, Levin, sir, what is the tools you're using, sir?
The same things, I mean, ChatGPT, Black Box, and some AI tools.
Great. Okay. Rambharat, sir, yes.
Yes, ChatGPT, Grok, and DeepSeek.
Mm-hmm. Great. Okay. Anybody others? Smruti ma'am, are you using any AI tools in your day-to-day, like workflow?
uh, only chat GPT, not anything else.
Great. Okay. How about Ashok, sir?
Same thing, only ChatGPT.
Only ChatGPT. Great. Okay. How about Rajesh, sir?
Yeah, only chat GPT.
Great. Bhagyalakshmi, ma'am?
Chat GPT.
Great. Then if you already signed up for ChatGPT, because everybody commonly using ChatGPT, that's great. So I don't know whether you have used Google Translator or not. Have you used any Google Translator when you are in the place where you need to communicate in their language? It can be in Kannada, it can be Telugu, Tamil, whatever it is. Have you ever used Google Translator?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, I have used it.
Yes, of course.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Like,
Yes.
so is it like on regular basis you use, or only when it necessary you'll use it?
When
Only
I
when
need it,
Need
necessary.
I will. Yes.
Only when it needed, right? the idea is I remember, I still remember when I was in seventh standard, eighth standard, because English was introduced me in the English was the first English subject which I have studied in sixth standard, because I studied from Kannada medium. So from one to fifth, no English. Only from sixth standard, we got to we have learned alphabets in the sixth standard. So in that time, I have purchased a dictionary. So the technology is not that much developed in the rural area. So in that time, I have used the dictionary. Whenever I hear any new word in English, so I'll open the dictionary and I'll see the Kannada meaning for that. That's how I have learned few English words. So in today's digital world, it is no more manual. It is all about apps. It's all about AI tools. So definitely, this Google Translator has an inbuilt feature called translate, live translate. Like if you're speaking with a person from Hindi language, so definitely Google Translator can get response from you in the English language, and it can convert to Hindi language. Have you tried this feature in before?
No.
Not it. Okay, great. Anybody, any others tried it?
No.
No.
Okay, so that is what we are going to discuss today. So in the time of need, where you have to communicate in the language, and it is not a safe place to make mistakes, and if you want to get things done, you can use this mode called conversational mode in Google Translator. So can you please open your Google Translator app, and I'll share the screen very soon. I hope it's already downloaded in your place.
We can open in the laptop or we can open in mobile. How
I
it is?
think mobile is better, sir. Mobile is the best.
Okay. 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 So in Google.
Translator. I think it's
Okay.
most of the Android mobiles, it's already pre-installed.
No, you're telling to open Google Translate, right?
Yes, sir. Please open the Google. I just want to show you that the conversation mode.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can we install or we can only open in the Google app is showing the translator app? Can we install?
Yeah, you can install it. I know what I my no thinking is it's already installed. If it is not installed, please install it.
Can you share one time that
Sure, sure, sure.
we know that is the correct as same?
Correct, correct. Let me do that, sir. Is my screen visible?
No.
No. No.
Okay, it's visible now.
It's
Yes.
blank.
Okay.
I mean, it's Google Translator page is showing enter text.
So if you go to the Play Store and if you
Oh.
search, yeah, if you search for Google Translate, So you will get this option, Google Translate, this app.
One minute. Google Translate. Yeah, that Google Translate tab.
Yeah, please install that app.
Can you bigger the
Okay, let me try. Is it possible for me to do that? No,
GX?
I could not able to do that.
Okay, no problem. So that only that because two option is showing on the GX also that you there na GX correct.
Mhm.
Okay, one more option is coming. LLC correct. You are saying that Google LLC correct. One more
It's
option
correct.
is coming, but that is the different. That is a coming AI integration AI.
That is not no, one which you have to download.
LLC you
Google
are
L.
downloading. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay,
please download that. Are you using Apple device, sir? Is it like Apple or Android? Because in Android it's pre-installed most of the times.
okay. Install now. Install now.
Installed, okay,
Yeah,
great.
and the below is showing only English Hindi. There below in below screen.
Okay, that's not a problem. So you just have to click on the language. It will open the list. From there, you have an option to download in case if you want to download that language package to work in offline. So there is an option called download. If you click on here and it will download the package. So the tool will work in offline also. You no need to connect to internet to use that app.
Oh, great.
So you can download whichever language you use frequently.
Now, where how can we where we want to look that language option? Can you show me previous?
Okay.
Can open. No.
Now let me uninstall and
Ah,
install it again because I'll show you from beginning so that you'll get an idea. So once it is installed, let's open it.
yeah.
So this is how the screen looks.
Hmm.
So one you're getting like try a new conversation experience. From there you have two options. One is English,
English
another one is
and Hindi.
Hindi, right? So if you click on the English language, you will get the list.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah.
So from there you can select, from Hindi to Kannada you can select. So there is an option to search here in the top.
Okay.
You search Hindi.
1 minute. Yeah, Hindi.
So you can click on the Hindi. Now the primary no, language is Hindi. From the secondary you can select Kannada.
Kannada.
Again you can search here and type Kannada and select the Kannada language.
1 minute. Kannada. Okay.
So here you have two options. Okay. So one is you can type Hindi here.
Mm-hmm.
In my case, I don't know. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Another one, you can use this mic symbol, the middle one, right? So click here and allow the microphone to access.
Mm-hmm.
मेरा नाम नवीन है. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नवीन है.
Okay.
When already you are using Teams, no, that's why it is not taking.
Oh, that's great. But I'm not using microphone for the Teams. No, I joined without microphone on this device. That may be issue. Okay, let me retry once again. Tap to start the mic. Okay, yes, yes.
Just just now I try coming there. Here.
Okay, great. So, no, in that case, you're right, sir. Maybe because I'm using Teams, so that is the reason the microphone is not detecting that. Is it same with other tools? Hi, GPT. Yeah, you're right, sir. That's same. That is the reason I have asked in the initially how many members have joined through mobile. Because if you want to use this, you have to connect to a laptop. So otherwise, just like how the problem I have faced, the same way you have to, you will face the problem. Okay, sir, is this coming, sir, Rajesh, sir?
Coming now.
So can you see an option called conversation mode? Can you try that?
Yeah.
So I'll speak in Kannada. So you have a conversation in the. Let's see whether it will going to work in real time or not. Can we try this role play? Is any others are ready for this role play? Like if your device is up and if you're using with laptop, we can practice right away. So if you have a laptop, I request you to please log in through your laptop so that we'll have a practical application. So in this session, we'll practice together. I request everybody, whoever all join through mobile. So if you can able to access through laptop, that's great.
I have joined in laptop English.
Okay, we can.
Yes. So if can we practice, ma'am? Can you go through this the same? Install the application and let's use the.
Okay. Yes.
So can you please click on the conversation and select the languages according to your need. So we'll have a conversation in English and Kannada or Hindi and Kannada or any other language. That's fine.
Okay, I have clicked on the conversation and allow. Okay.
Which
Yeah,
language?
it's in English to Kannada.
Okay. So can you please increase the volume so that I can hear and I'll respond to that.
Yeah, it's in full volume. You want me to speak something in English and the conversations in
Yes,
Kannada and
yes, yes,
Kannada?
yes, yes.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅವರೇ.
Can you repeat, Naveen?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅವರೇ.
I'll try again.
ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅವರೇ.
Naveen, can you try it one more time?
ಓಕೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅವರೇ.
Yes.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅವರೇ.
This going that. Okay, I'll. Namaskara, Naveen avare.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನವೀನ್ ಅರಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It
Okay.
is working, but there is a gap between when I'm pressing the mic button and the way.
Okay, okay, okay. That is completely no understandable. And can we try this with others?
Thank you.
ये काम कर रहा है क्या?
ये काम कर रहा है नवीन, काम कर रहा है, इट्स वर्किंग।
You have two options, ma'am. One is manual one, like one you can click on the mic, and so another one if you click here, automatically it will detect.
Where?
So no, can you
Enter
see?
one, different button.
Yes, enter one. Yes,
Okay, okay. Maybe we'll try one more time.
sure. So when you click on the conversation, there is an option here, the star. So automatically it will start. Namaskara.
Working, Naveen.
Okay, I just want.
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Namaste, Bhagya avare. That's great.
It is in manual mode, so it's whenever I'm talking in that only it is working.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗಲೆಲ್ಲ
Okay, it's responding, right? So whenever you have doubt, definitely you can have that.
ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It's responding. Yeah.
Great. And I want to try with uh, Ram Bharat sir. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Can you please open that app and use the conversation mode? Let's see whether your microphone will going to fetch my voice or not. Because in Bhagya's
I'm
name,
using headset, right? I don't know whether it will take or not.
okay. No, like if you're using through laptop
Yes.
and if you open the mobile and if you keep in the speaker mode, that will detect. Oh, okay. The thing is, the laptop output is connected to a your earphone. So that is the reason.
Yes. Yes.
Got it.
No, I was trying. It is working. No problem.
Okay, how
Can you
about
heard?
Ramesh sir? Is it working for you? Have you tried it? The conversation mode.
Yes, yes, Naveen. Yes, it's
See.
working, and the same. I'm also connected with the headset.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, it is working in the mobile.
Okay. Smriti ma'am, have you tried it? Is it working for you?
Yeah, I just now connected to laptop,
Okay.
but via mobile when I'm trying, it is not taking. You are saying use this app from mobile, right?
Correct. Because the maximum features are in mobile only, so
Mobile.
that the conversation mode.
So, in mobile conversation, I have first language I've kept English and second is Kannada.
Okay. Correct.
Okay. So, conversation, if I click
Mm-hmm.
uh, in that, I can't hear anything from.
Now you will get two options. Okay, you will get two microphones. So this is for manual control. Like if you're speaking in Hindi, you will turn on this microphone and it will capture your voice and it will give you output in English, Kannada language. The another microphone, when you click here, it will capture the Kannada voice and it will convert to Hindi or English, whichever language you have selected. But if you click on the middle one, the middle one is there, right? That one.
Mm-hmm.
So automatically it will detect the speech. Based on that, it will give you the output. Here it is not working because my microphone right now, which I'm connected through, the handheld tab. So it is used in Teams. So that is the reason my voice is not reaching to this app.
Okay.
It is not working because my microphone right now, which I'm connected to the handwriter, says use this, so that is the reason my voice is not.
I
It's
that's
it's it's, it's capturing my voice. So can you? It's perfectly working. Namaskara, Smriti ಅವರೇ.
Nothing came. Hi, Naveen Avre. Can you try again?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಅವರೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಅವರೇ.
It is not taking now. I think I will check again. Go back again. Hi, Naveen Avre.
Which are the languages you... Okay.
What? You said anything?
Hi Naveen.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಅವರೇ?
Can you speak again?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಅವರೇ?
It took my voice only.
Okay, okay. So there is a delay. I really understand. But when it comes to the practical, if you have somebody, maybe brother, no, whoever in the house, so quickly you can try. Uh, this is it working? And please let me know if it is not working. We'll try. We'll try to do something.
Okay.
Hello.
I'll do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, Rajesh sir.
So yeah, just now I downloaded in laptop
Mm.
also. So
Mm-hmm.
in the laptop, detect language automatic is coming there.
Great.
You select, yeah, to select that language one side, what are you want to speak, and
Mm-hmm.
second side, what you want to convert. Okay, and
Okay.
automatic deduction, language deduction will be there. But
Great.
I don't know Kannada will be detect or not. But in the laptop, if you install, then
Mm-hmm.
automatic is all screen is coming together once inside. Just now I tried, but already I connected
Sir,
here my phone.
in laptop, sir, we can't do the conversation. We can ask for one sentence to translate from English language to Kannada language or Hindi language. It will do that.
Mm.
But in the
Okay, okay.
application which I'm showing right now, it can be worked
Mm.
as a translator,
Mm.
a live translator. Whatever you're speaking, it will convert to the language which the other person will understand. Like in this case, Kannada, and it will translate. And whatever Kannada speaking person is speaking, and it will translate to Hindi or English. So that capabilities this app has. So that is the reason I want you to introduce this.
Okay, okay.
But if you have any partner, okay, right now, maybe it can be your brother, sister, wife, whoever it is, I request you to quickly practice Hindi to English or Hindi to Tamil, any language, and please let me know. Take 5 minutes, and that you can consider as break, and please practice, and we'll come back. I'll also try with my partner.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it okay with everybody?
Yeah.
Welcome back, team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, have you practiced it? How was your experience? What are the new things or what are the phases you have tried?
No, it is good tool, very good tool, and I think very helpful in the initial stage. That
Yeah, very good. I want to know like which are the phrases you have tried to have that experience.
I hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I try three four phases. English to Kannada, Hindi to Kannada also, and Kannada to English also. That
Great. Can you please share, sir, which are the phrases you have tried?
1 minute. I can.
Meanwhile, Bhagya ma'am, what are the phrases you have tried?
Yes, Naveen. So just I tried. I like I have to go to. I have some work, so I'll be drop the class on with the basic things.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't able to remember. But it's working, Naveen.
Okay, okay. So how to say in maybe you can use you make a list of five English words and get a translation, ma'am. That is a live task for you. So take find any action verbs or any kind of words in English. Get the translation.
Only words, not sentences.
Words, just words.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No, just now I check what we did and the history. We cannot say anything. Check anything. Correct.
Yeah, for conversation, I think history is not available, but for the regular
No, no.
translation.
Yeah. Just now I did one. Yeah, are you coming office tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
So in the Kannada that translated like that. Nale kasi reje baruti
Bartira,
bartine.
Bartira, Kacheri, Kacheri. Office means in Kannada word it's Kacheri. Sometimes the problem with Google Translator or any app is so this is trained with pure data because in spoken the dialect will change, the tone and the word pronunciation is little bit different. So whatever you see in the apps, right, this is a pure Kannada.
Correct. Okay, okay. So means only that hell it will not history will not there. Agar suppose you want to practice something, so that every time you have speak and it will have mean in the history detail will not there. Correct. Anything with there.
Yeah, that's correct, and we'll see how we can figure it out and how we can help the tools to practice it. Yes, Ram Bharat sir, what are the things you have tried, sir?
Just like simple conversation, like have you had food?
Mm-hmm.
Like
What is the
simple
response you
questions.
got, sir? What is the response you got?
It translates in Kannada. That's
That's it, huh? Hmm.
I didn't remember now. Like I need to check it again.
Okay. Have you tried that?
Food
Uh-huh.
madidera.
Very good, very good. That is very good. Sometimes which commonly we speak, right? The few English sentences. Commonly, sometimes we have to communicate with that. Greetings, asking simple questions. For that, it will be helpful. Very quick, easy, because it's an app, so you can easily get the things done with the help of that. So ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ means tomorrow I'll not come.
Yes. Just checking. Like Rajesh sir told, do you come to office tomorrow? That's for that I've been checking in this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So very good. I hope so far it's doing great. Shall we go for Chat GPT?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bhagya ma'am, what are the 5 words you have tried, ma'am?
Yes, Naveen. Uh, so I wanted to understand what is post office. So it's
Mm-hmm.
saying Anji Kacheri.
Hanche Kacheri. Very good. Hanche Kacheri.
Anji Kacheri.
Mm-hmm.
And then I tried uh, today is a busy day.
Mm-hmm.
Indu Vinu Velleda Dina.
Okay. Maybe you can try with today, Indu. ಇವತ್ತು busy ದಿಸ. You can say busy ದಿಸ ಅಥವಾ no, some what happens in yeah. Hindu means today.
Okay.
Busy day, right?
Busy day. So Indu Vinu Vileda Dina.
That is not very common in the spoken language actually. They will people will say ಇವತ್ತು busy ಇದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು busy ಇದೆ. They'll use busy
Okay,
only.
busy Dina.
Correct. So that means you have a lot of work.
Okay.
ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು busy ಇದೀನಿ ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ means tomorrow I'll meet you like that.
Okay.
So this is
Then I tried.
mhm.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Then can we meet now? It's saying Navu Hegi as it's very
See,
difficult.
very difficult, right? No, this is very much useful when you have a long phrases and if you want to, quickly communicate. It's a pure Kannada, ma'am. It's a little bit difficult for the native speakers also because it's a pure Kannada. It is not, very spoken Kannada, but it's very much helpful. It's like dictionary. If you want to find out a meaning and if you have an interesting sentence and if you want to convert it into the language directly you can do that and you can use the speaker button to say that example.
ನಾನು ನವೀನ್.
Can you hear that
Yeah.
in English?
I am Naveen.
So basically you can use the speaker button to make other person understandable what you mean or what you are telling to explain.
Understood, Naveen.
Okay. For this problem, I would like to introduce ChatGPT. As you said that you already signed up, so that is the reason I'm directly going to the voice mode. So can you see this? Use voice mode.
Yes. Yes.
Mobile phone.
Yeah.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, even in mobile and even in laptop it works. So let me activate this. Hi GPT.
Hello, it's great to hear from you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. What can I help you with today?
So we have few Kannada speaking, Kannada learning participants. Can you say hi to them? Maybe you can say in Hindi as of now, and I'll tell you to change the language. You can change the language later.
बिल्कुल मैं आपके कन्नड़ा सीखने वाले पार्टिसिपेंट्स को हिंदी में हेलो कह देता हूँ मुझे बताना जब आप चाहें कि मैं लैंग्वेज बदलूं
Dear team, can you hear that what ChatGPT told?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm right here and ready. I hope everyone can hear me and I'm excited to chat with all of you.
Okay, how about Tamil?
Sure, I'd be happy to switch to Tamil now. Just let me know what you'd like me to say.
Say hi to them in Tamil.
வணக்கம் உங்களை எல்லாரையும் தமிழில் சந்திப்பதற்கு எனக்கு மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சி
How about Kannada?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿ
Just Namaskara heli, hello heli.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ
So we in the team we have Ramesh sir. Okay, he will speak in Tamil with you, and you should work as a translator between Ramesh sir and me. So I'll communicate with him in Kannada. Is it okay for you?
Absolutely, that sounds great. I'm happy to help translate between you speaking in Kannada and Ramesh sir speaking in Tamil.
Ramesh sir, can you start the conversation? You say hi and
So I should start in Tamil or
yeah, better
You
Tamil.
hi, வணக்கம் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
got it. I'm ready to translate his Tamil greeting whenever he starts the conversation.
வணக்கம், எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Can you hear what Ramesh sir told?
Yes, I can. Ramesh sir's greeting in Tamil came through clearly, and I'm ready to translate it for you.
Yeah, please.
Of course. Just let me know what he said in Tamil, and I'll translate it into Kannada for you.
Okay, there is a delay. Ramesh sir, can you speak once again?
No problem at all. Ramesh sir, please go ahead and speak again whenever you're ready, and I'll be right here to help with the translation.
வணக்கம் ஜிபிடி, எப்படி இருக்க?
He said, Vanakkam GPT eppadi irukke.
He said, Namaskara GPT Hegidya, which means, Hello GPT, how are you?
So the maybe the problem is he is in Teams meeting and whatever he is saying, you couldn't able to hear that. That may be a problem. I can able to hear clearly.
Ah, I see. That makes sense. I'm glad you can hear him clearly, and I'm here to help with anything you need on my end.
Okay, so this is the scenario. So let's imagine I am a Hindi English speaking person. I don't know Kannada. So I want to practice with you. Can we practice together?
That sounds wonderful. I'd be delighted to practice with you and help you with Kannada. We can have a fun and engaging session together.
So this is the case. Right now I'm in MG Road metro station. So I have to go to Majestic and I have to get an auto. And the auto person doesn't don't know any other language apart from Kannada. Okay, what are the now? How can I do this transaction? How can I handle this situation?
That's a great scenario. You could start by greeting the auto driver in Kannada with a friendly namaskara, which means hello. Then you can say Nanu Majestic Hogbeku, which means I need to go to Majestic. With these simple phrases, you can handle the situation smoothly.
And he said, "Nanu hogalla." What it means?
He said Nanu Hogala, which means I won't go. It looks like he's not able to take you to Majestic, so you might need to find another auto or maybe try a different approach.
Okay, I went to another guy. He said that 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Ah, he said Ainuru Rupai Kodu, which means give 500 rupees. So it sounds like he's telling you the fare for the ride to Majestic.
No, that is too much. Usually it will be like only 100 rupees or less than that.
I get it. That does sound quite high. Usually you can say something like Idakke Nuru Rupai Saku, which means 100 rupees is enough for this. And that might help you negotiate a fairer fare.
100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಾಕು. For that he said ಬರಲ್ಲ.
He said Varalla, which means I won't come. It looks like he's not willing to accept that fare, so you might have to try another driver or find another way to get to Majestic.
How to say 150? I'm ready to give 150.
You can say Nanu Nuru Aivattuidu Kodalu Siddhaniddene, which means I'm ready to give 150. That might show that you're willing to negotiate a bit and hopefully find a price that works for both of you.
You work like my big brother and you know Kannada. Can you negotiate for me with him?
I'm so glad you feel that way. I'm here to help guide you through the conversation in Kannada so you can negotiate confidently with the auto driver.
So please go ahead and auto driver can hear you. So you tell him I'm ready to give 150. Please tell him to I really need to go there. So tell him to take me there.
Absolutely. I'll let him know in Kannada. ನಾನು 150 ಕೊಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧನಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. This means I'm ready to give 150. Please tell him I really need to go there.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. And if there's anything else you need, I'm right here.
Hi team, can you see this demo?
Yes. Yes.
How did you felt?
It was good.
Okay, have you
It is
tried?
good to help when you don't know what you need to answer.
Yeah, great observation. Then anybody tried this way to use ChatGPT before to negotiate to learn Kannada words?
No, actually, I have not even logged in. I used only text once, and
Oh,
then
oh,
it will give me options, and then I use that
okay. You did not
for
signed up.
asking some mails
Signed
and
up.
all.
You did not signed up
Yes.
basically. Okay. I request you to sign up, and I'm using Pro version right now, but you can try with the free version. Maybe it will allow you to practice for probably 15 minutes. I hope.
Free version I saw
Yeah.
written there.
Yes.
Right.
So that you can try. Okay. Levins. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show me which version? Because just now also I checked
Mm-hmm.
that automatically the text version is there in my mobile. No
Okay.
mail ID. So how can they bring this? That is a very excellent feature. What I feel that.
Very good, sir. Very good. Thank you. And I request you to please check in your Play Store whether it is updated or not. Can you please check for me? Please go to the
Yes,
Play
it
Store
is there.
and
Okay,
and search for ChatGPT. Can you see any updates there?
chat.
GPT.
Navin, one doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
In Play Store, it's showing one is Chat GPT, one is AI Chat Assistant Chat now.
Okay. It's just ChatGPT. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll read it for you. It is like Open AI Productivity AI Playground, ChatGPT, and the logo. I'll show you the logo.
Hmm.
So this is the logo. Chart.
Ah, okay, then I got it. It's the same. Okay.
Yeah, this logo.
Ah, it's coming same. Chat GPT.
Which logo? That second.
Yeah, second one. This one.
This logo, okay. This logo install already.
Okay. If it is already installed, please check. Is there any updates are there, or you need to update it?
No, no. Okay, I'm coming and directly open this. And the option is coming. What can I help with? Create image, summarize text, brainstorm, make the plan more like that.
Okay. Can you see this voice mode there?
Voice mode is there. Speaker phone is there. This is there.
This mic symbol is there, but this one is not there. Huh?
Nine. Both are available.
Okay. Please click here. This mode. Voice mode.
Voice in voice mode. This mode. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So you start the conversation there. Maybe you can say how to say hello in Kannada, something like that.
How can say hello in Kannada? Hello. How can say hello in Kannada? Not working.
It will take some time to load up.
Of course, I'm here and ready to help out. It's always a pleasure to chat with you. So just let me know what you have in mind.
I'm trying my friend how to use ChatGPT, and he already logged into ChatGPT and he already installed an app. Right now, he is trying a voice mode, but it is not responding to him.
I'm glad you're introducing your friend to ChatGPT. If the voice mode isn't responding, it might help to check if the microphone permissions are enabled for the app or browser. Sometimes just a quick restart of the app can also help. Let me know if you need any more help.
Can you hear it? Like, please close the app once, sir, and reopen the app, restart the app.
It's working for me, Naveen.
Very good, ma'am. So, you can have a conversation with this. Maybe it will work you as a partner whenever. Definitely, I will teach you, techniques. I'll teach you the common verbs. So everything I'll teach you. Whatever what I'm teaching right now, you need a playground to practice it. I think these tools, the Google Translator as well as ChatGPT, will work you as a playground to work you as a place to practice it.
Okay.
That is the context now. That is the reason today I'm introducing these tools as early as possible, because for the first batch these tools are introduced in class 20th. In 20th classes I have introduced. So but I would like to show this in the initial class, in the initial stage only, so that you will get the maximum benefit.
ChatGPT, did you hear it?
Yes, I heard you loud and clear. I love the idea of using these tools as a playground for practice. It definitely helps to have a fun and interactive way to learn. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
I'm scared, ChatGPT. You are hearing me without my permission.
I'm here to help whenever you want, and I only respond when you reach out to me. If you ever want to stop the conversation or have any privacy concerns, just let me know.
No,
Is
I don't mean that. I don't mean that. Actually, Smriti ma'am, she just turned on her microphone. That is how you're hearing. I completely understand that. Say hi to Smriti ma'am in Kannada, because I am from Karnataka. I want to say hi to her in Kannada. Say hi to her.
Hi, Smriti ma'am. Nimage namaskaraಗಳು.
You're wonderful. You're so sweet of you, and definitely it will going to be, a big friend to learn Kannada from you. You'll become a big friend.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad to hear that, and I'm excited to help you on your Canada learning journey. It's going to be a lot of fun.
You became like human.
I'll definitely do my best to keep things natural and conversational. If there's anything specific you'd like me to adjust, or if you have any preferences,
Okay, what are the five, important words Smriti ma'am should learn in Kannada? Ma'am, what happened? Is it?
I don't know. Hi, ChatGPT.
no worries at all. I'm here and everything's working fine on my end. If you want to go over some important Kannada words for Smriti ma'am or anything else, just let me know.
No, 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 please tell what are the five words she should know.
Sure. Here are five useful words in Kannada. One, namaskara, hello. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, thank you. ಹೌದು, yes. Four, ಇಲ್ಲ, no. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you? These should be a great start.
She already know all these five words. Tell me another five words.
Got it. Here are five more words that might be helpful. One, sari, okay. Minu, you, informal. Adare, but. Estu, how much? Sari ittu. All right, understood. Hopefully these will be useful as well.
Ask Smriti ma'am how she felt about it.
I'd love to know her thoughts. If you get a chance to ask her, feel
You
free to
ask her.
let me know.
She's listening to you. She's listening to you. Say and ask her.
Hi, Smriti ma'am. I hope you're doing well. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these kind of words and if you found them helpful. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, it was great. Thanks for helping me out.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad to hear that. If you ever need any more help or have more questions, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
A GPT, I'm curious, will you replace me? As a language trainer.
That's a fun question. I think of myself as a healthy tool to support your learning and not replace you. Your personal touch and expertise are irreplaceable. I'm just here to make the journey a bit easier and more fun.
So that is the reason I have introduced you in, I know, like day three. Thank you.
That's awesome to hear. I'm really glad to be a part of your learning process from the early days. If there's anything else I can do to help along the way, just let me know.
Smriti ma'am, over to you. How did you felt?
Yeah. Bye, ChatGPT. I had to say bye to her because with that we cannot converse, right? She'll hear us,
Correct, correct, correct.
which I didn't do when I was talking to you. I thought it is, I it is first time, so I might not know
Mm-hmm.
starting, right? So next time I'll be careful while talking.
Yeah, definitely. So basically, it is became like one of my friend, virtual friend. I know
Mm-hmm.
for lesson planning, for any idea brainstorming, and learning to present me better in my fashion. I know literally I'm using like my best friend in a very sensible way. I'm telling you, very sensible way because I really feel that technology will enable us when you learn it properly. But if you don't use, if you resist to technology, definitely, things are replaceable and we are also replaceable. So we have to accept the technology, whatever technology is available, and we just have to use it for our advancement. That's what I feel. So that is the reason, everybody in my, because I'm into the teaching community, right? Everybody's scared. Every teacher, every trainer is scared. Are we replaceable? That much friendly it is, that much human it is.
Hmm. In between, she'll laugh.
Correct, 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 correct. So definitely, it's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to keep you engaged in the language learning process. So that is the objective of today's class. I hope it's fulfilled.
Yeah. True.
So what's your Ram Pradha sir, Ram Bharat sir? What's your closing lines, sir? Like, how did you felt these tools? Maybe you have used the chart mode. I really don't know whether you have used the voice mode or not. So we can't hear you. Anybody can hear what Ram Bharat sir is telling?
No, 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 no.
Now,
Yeah, we can hear you, sir. Yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, already I was using that early with Grok's app. So voice mode I've been using from since past 1 year.
Great, sir. Great, great. So have you tried it for this language learning, sir?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's great. And I hope I can see the improvements. Now you are much confident when you are using whatever words you're using in Kannada.
Yes. Now, like because I'm surrounded mostly with Kannada people now. In
Okay.
my team, I'm only we two people are only Tamilians. Other all Kannadigas only. So mostly they try to speak in Kannada only with me.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಊರಿನವರು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್?
ಅವರ ಹಾಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರು,
ಓಕೆ.
ಮೈಸೂರು.
ಹಾ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ.
ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬುಲರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಲ್ತಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Rajesh sir, how did you felt, sir, using this technology for the language learning?
No, that is very good. What two technology that you share,
Mm-hmm.
that language conversation and that chat GPT. The very it will very helpful, and especially if you are preparing something, also it will be guide as a guidance also. That both are the very helpful. And actually, that chat GPT voice version we didn't use very frequently as a very rare case, but not this model. Just now, what we explain,
Mm-hmm.
that is a very new for me. Very new for me. I think it will be very helpful.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, you can get some ideas, learn some vocabulary, and it will help you to present you also. Thank you, sir. Levin, sir, what's your thoughts, sir? I hope you are already using the tools, and have you used voice mode before, sir?
Not that much, but one or two times only I have used voice mode.
Okay, I request you to use this to per practice, sir. Let's imagine you have some thought and you want to express that in Kannada. Definitely, you can use this, and this it's become like more natural, and it is human friendly. So you it will work as your friend. It's a close circle where you can make mistakes.
Yeah, sure, I will use with Naveen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bhagya Lakshmi, ma'am, how was the experience, ma'am?
It was good, Naveen, but I used to use only I'll type something and I'll listen in that Google Translate, that speaker mode. I listen and I'll try to communicate with someone else if needed.
Mm-hmm.
But I never tried the Chat GPT conversation mode, what you have shown us today. I mean, made us. So I think it will be very helpful when we stuck in some situation where we need to communicate and make the things happen. So it will be
Okay.
helpful, and maybe I can try day to day some little things.
Yes, ma'am. Like if you practice a 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day, so that definitely it will make you more comfortable to pronounce those Kannada words
Yes.
and make phrases or sentences. So you will feel more confident to have the conversation in the language. So that is the only objective what I have, to make you feel comfortable to if somebody is speaking in Kannada, and to understand the language, and you should not feel hesitate to speak in the language. That is the objective what I have for the overall this batch. I hope the today's objectives are fulfilled. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
So
Naveen.
yeah,
Thank you.
before closing it, I want you to tell something in Kannada about yourself. Again, we're coming back to the previous practices. You can ask few questions in Kannada. We'll close this session. I'll start with Smruti ma'am. You just introduce yourself in 2 lines in Kannada and ask maybe 2 questions. That is a simple format.
Dear, um, I should ask question or tell about myself?
Better you introduce yourself, ma'am, in Kannada, then ask 2 questions. You can ask anybody, in the group, not only me. You can ask anybody.
ಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ಮೃತಿ. ನಾನು ಮುಂಬೈಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Mm-hmm.
ಆ, ನಾನು ಬನರ್ಘಟ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Mm-hmm.
ನಾನು ವಾಲ್ವೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Mm-hmm.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಆ, ನೀವು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಡಿಡ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ?
Correct, 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 correct. The sentence is correct.
ನೀವು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
Idira means are you in office right now? Today. Hindu, ನೀವು office ಅಲ್ಲಿ idira means are you in office today?
Answer should be no. Then I am at home.
Yeah, today. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Very good. Very, very simple answer. Very good. Smriti ma'am, one more question.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ,
You can say ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮನೆ means house, ಅಲ್ಲಿ means in, idini means here. I'm in house.
Hmm.
Okay, one more question, ma'am, for anybody.
Yes, to Rajesh ji. Rajesh ಅವರೇ.
Ready, ready.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Hello.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Okay, second half market hogitra.
That is very honest answer. ತುಂಬಾ honest ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
You will not know Naveen. He will call me from office.
Uh-huh.
Office. Basically, he will be downstairs. I will be upstairs. He is working in ground floor and first floor. He will call and he will ask some questions.
That's fun, right? That's fun.
Yes, that's fun. Then when he calls, I will think, oh, some urgent issue, some laptop might have come, some parts issue. I'll be like, oh, what happened? Then he will ask, how are you? Hey, Gidira. That way only I called you.
Uh, no, it's really inspiring, Rajesh sir. You are like my best student, you know.
Yes, even if he needs me, no, in
Uh-huh.
between he will chat in Kannada.
Canada. That's great. That's great.
And now we are trying to understand what other people are talking in Kannada so that we
Uh-huh.
should understand what they are talking.
Yes, yes, that is the the problem is when you don't know the languages, we don't know what they are speaking about us.
Correct.
So it's better to
So
know the
we
language.
we try to understand. Oh, he's saying yes, we should do it. Okay, then what the next person is saying, we try to understand that.
That's a great way to learn language. Seriously, when you observe people, that's how the children will learn the language. By observing, the parents, by observing the surroundings. That's how the children will learn the language. But it's a very, it'll take a lot of time. It'll take a lot of time, but we'll see. We'll try to structure the lessons to make you learn the language as early as possible.
Yeah, true. Rajesh ji, Rajesh avre, correct na?
Yeah, ready, ready.
See, he said
Correct.
yes.
Correct. Correct. I'll go with Ram Bharat sir. Please introduce yourself in maybe 2 lines or 3 lines and ask questions to the team members.
ನಾನು ರಾಮ್ ಭರತ್. ನಾನು ಮದುರೈಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೆ ಆರ್ ಭಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲಿವಿನ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Very good.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ.
Super.
Illa bro. Bro also added.
And that is also fine. It's like slang. Macha, maga, bro, machi. These are the slangs actually.
ಓಕೆ. ಲಿವಿನ್, ನೀವು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಏಕೆ ಲೇಟಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ?
Here it is objective is missing, sir. When you're asking, is it tomorrow or when you're asking, ನಾಳೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? You're asking.
ನೋ ನೋ ನೋ, ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು?
ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಅ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ, ದ
ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್
ಬಸ್
ಪಾಸ್ಟ್
ಬಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಬಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೂಪರ್
ಬಸ್
ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಸ್ಸು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಲೇಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಆಯ್ತು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಬಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್. ಎಸ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ. ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಿವಿನ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಮ್ ಭರತ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುಂದರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ವಿಚಾರಿಸೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಓವರ್ ಟು ಯು. Okay, maybe we'll ask Bhagya ma'am. Please introduce yourself. Okay, he's back. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Mm-hmm.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜೇಶ್
Mm-hmm.
and ಐ ಹಿಂದಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Mm-hmm.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತ್ರೀ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ
Mm-hmm.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 7-8 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್
Mm-hmm.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಜನದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಗ 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 ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ
ಕಲಿತಾರೆ, ಕಲಿತಾರೆ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದು.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ,
ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ದಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಐತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತು ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ. ಹ್ಮ್.
ಹಲೋ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು.
ಟೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್, ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟುಡೇ,
ಹಾ,
ಶನಿವಾರ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ದಟ್ ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಹಲೋ.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓ ಸೂಪರ್.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ವಿತ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮೂವಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಜೊತೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್.
ಹಾಂ, ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮೂವಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯಾರು ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಾರು ಇದೆ.
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಯಾರು ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೋ,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್. ಲಿವಿನ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ನೇಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಿವಿನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಾನು ಕೊಯಂಬತ್ತೂರಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ವಾಲ್ವೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೋಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಸಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ, ನಾನು ರಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳು
ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರಾಮ್ ಭರತ್ ಅವರೇ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಆಮ್, ಆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಮ್, ಆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಮ್ ಭರತ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
ನಾವು ಮದುರೈಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಒನ್
ಯು
ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಆರ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಯಾವ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಸಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ, ದಿಂದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್
ಎಷ್ಟು
ಫ್ರಮ್,
ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್,
ಇನ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ.
ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ
ಹ. ಎಸ್ ರಾಮ್ ಭರತ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನ್.
See, I'm living from last 5 years. How to tell that?
ನಾನು 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ, ಫ್ರಮ್ 5 ಇಯರ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು
5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ
5 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ
ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಾನು 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ನಾನು 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
Yes, Naveen.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸರಿ. ಆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಆ, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನೈನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಪುರಂನ ಬಸ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಲ್ವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ, ಆ, ನವೀನ್ ಅವರೇ, I wanted to ask you, what is your hobbies and
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಏನು?
ನವೀನ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಏನು?
ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಏನು? ನನಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ, ಫ್- ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೀ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇರಮ್ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈಫ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೇರಮ್ ಇದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೇರಮ್ ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
Then I wanted to tell, I like the Bangalore climate and I like to live in Bangalore. How do you say?
ನನಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ.
Okay.
ನನಗೆ
ನನಗೆ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಇವಾಗೆ ಲಂಚ್ಗೆ ಲಂಚ್ಗೆ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಲಂಚ್ಗೆ ಏನ್?
Any cooking today? What you're cooking for lunch?
ಓಕೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ವೈಫ್ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಲಂಚ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
Okay. Just I wanted to learn these phrases, Naveen. So
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
thank you.
I think Bhagya wanted Naveen to cook.
ಐ ಲವ್ ಟು.
For you, Smriti, I'll change to you. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
He is happy, but now Bhagya is giving.
ನೋ, No, not at all, not at all. I maybe I'm bad at cooking. That is the reason she'll not allow me to cook. And maybe she like even my wife likes me to learn cooking. But the thing is, I'm not interested.
Same like my husband.
Oh,
I want my husband to cook, but then whatever he is cooking is dangerous.
so it's better you made an agreement like you don't cook, huh? You told him like that.
No, no. I will say there are some YouTube channels and all. You'll see cricket match like like in mobile, right? Just check how to cook some rice.
Maybe she is listening. She is also feeling like you are also in same like her.
Rajesh Avre. He is gonna cook today.
Yeah.
Rajesh? क्या बोल दिया अभी?
No,
वो मार्केट जाके सामान लाके उसके बाद राजेश सर बनाएंगे।
Correct.
नहीं नहीं मार्केट क्या फ्रेश तरकारी ಬೇಕು
Mm-hmm.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Great, sir. Great.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಥ ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಾ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್
Rajesh sir, I
Hmm.
can see the vibes, sir. My vibes in you because whenever I meet a Hindi speaking person, okay, even though they know Kannada, I try to speak them in Hindi only. I just want to learn Hindi. मेरे को हिंदी सीखने का बहुत शौक है.
He is like that only. Correct.
अब मेरे को हिंदी सीखने के लिए बहुत शौक है उसलिए कोई आदमी मेरा फ्रेंड है और दुकान वाला है वो उसको कन्नड़ा पता है तो फिर भी मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ थोड़ा तो टुकड़ा टुकड़ा हिंदी बोलता है ना उतना हिंदी में बोलता हूँ उसके साथ
अरे ये बहुत अच्छी हिंदी है ना राजेश जी? इनकी हिंदी तो काफी
करेक्ट नहीं
अच्छी
नहीं
है।
ना काफी काफी हिंदी है अच्छी है
हाँ,
मैं
ये
आप
बात
नहीं नहीं
तो
आपने आपने जैसे आपने जैसे फर्स्ट डे बोला ना कि कन्नड़ा में भी आप अगर जाएंगे
हाँ
बेंगलुरु में या आपके और स्टेट नॉर्थ कन्नड़ा साउथ में तो
हम्म
यहाँ पे भी हिंदी में भी थोड़ी लैंग्वेज की जो टोन है वो
हम्म
आपको
करेक्ट।
बहुत ही ऐसी मिलेगी कि जो दैट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल जैसे अभी आप मेरठ में जाएंगे अगर आप
हम्म।
थोड़ा कानपुर में जाएंगे अगर आप और जाएंगे वो बहुत ही स्टेट होगी आपको सुनने में लगेगा दैट इज नॉट मैन
हिंदी।
मैन लेकिन अगर हाँ अगर आप
हम्म।
लेकिन जहाँ भी पूर्वी जो आपके लखनऊ एरिया है उसके इर्द गिर्द जाएंगे वहाँ की हिंदी आपको बहुत ही अच्छी मिलेगी
हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ
यहाँ हमारे
सुनने में ही
एमपी
लगेगा
साइड की भी अलग है
हाँ
थोड़ी
हाँ
हिंदी।
आप ही है
एमपी साइड में।
तो अगर आप वहाँ पर जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अलग जैसे ही 200 250 किलोमीटर पर टोन चेंज हो जाएगी कम से
हम्म
कम इतनी ही है
सही है सर मैं ये पूरा हिंदी यूट्यूब और फिल्म्स है ना फिल्म हिंदी वेब सीरीज और हिंदी का ये पंचायत मेरा एक फेवरेट वेब सीरीज था
करेक्ट करेक्ट अभी नाउ न्यू वर्जन लेटेस्ट वर्जन भी आ गया देखा कि नहीं अभी एपिसोड आते
लो,
हैं
नहीं
हम दोनों मिलके पंचायत करेंगे।
उसमें जैसे आपने बोला ना विलेज फ्लेवर वो भी है उसमें
हाँ उधर मैं बहुत वोकेबुलरी सीखा वो उसमें ये पंचायत का ऑफिसर है ना उसको है ना बहुत इनोसेंट है वो लव लव स्टोरी चल रहा है उसका क्या प्रेसिडेंट का डॉटर है ना उसके साथ वो
सच्ची में वो
सच्ची बोलता है सर
रोमांस का बात आप बोल रहे हैं ना
हाँ हाँ
सच्ची
हाँ
में
सो
सच्ची
वो
मीन्स सेक्रेटरी सच्ची मीन्स सेक्रेटरी
और राजेश जी पूरा हिंदी में।
मैं
सही पकड़े हैं।
actually, Sutmi ma'am, what I did is, I started a new challenge to make videos in Instagram. Even I have a lot of camera fear. I want to make videos, but the thing is, I have a lot of fear to face the camera. So that is the reason I made the commitment. I should teach as little Kannada as possible to the people, and I should learn Hindi. So that is the reason in my channel, I have a channel, I have a page called naveen.learn.it. In that page I'm posting videos every day to making videos in Hindi. तो मेरा फ्रेंड्स हिंदी फ्रेंड्स है वो थोड़ा ए कह रहे कितना हिंदी बोल रहा है ऐसा हिंदी बोल रहा है
You are right.
they're telling like that.
I understand that you are.
Yeah, I agree.
Even Rajesh ji, you will not know. He has many IWs under him who are all Kannada speaking. But you should see the way Rajesh ji is scolding them in Kannada.
No, no. What actually happening that in the day-to-day life, that professional life, I can speak, but they are very passionate to learn Hindi also. So that is the mostly they knows Hindi. So that is the one things and day-to-day like that daily kalsa bega kalsa marbeku bega hogi. Means that is a common language, professional language I know. But only problem is कि sometime if I will not speak standard अगर any local I mean not good word will come, so they will take this word. So I'm very careful to speak this. So sometime, if I'm very confident, that time I will speak. That is the main problem.
Definitely,
Otherwise,
Rajesh ji. I feel the same, but the thing is, Instagram is like open book. Nobody cares. Even only my close friends care about my image. What your image will going to damage. But the thing is,
correct.
I'm openly saying that मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत मिस्टेक्स करता हूँ. वो कोई को गाली नहीं दे रहा है ना. मैं जस्ट वीडियोस कर रहा हूँ हेल्प करने के लिए. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मैं कोई छोटा मोटा नो मिस्टेक्स कर दिया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं चलेगा. वो ऐसा माइंडसेट में चल रहा है अभी.
Correct.
Everything is fine, Naveen. Only I think some slang wise you sound different.
Hmm.
ओके ओके मे
जैसे
बी
इनकी
बिकॉज
हिंदी
ऑफ.
है राजेश जी, इनकी हिंदी
Hmm.
समझ में आती है कि ये डिफरेंट है
Correct. नहीं
हाँ.
नहीं वो
है ना?
आ जाएगा ये नहीं नहीं दैट इज जस्ट नाउ आई
वो आ
एक्सप्लेन ना दैट
जाएगा।
हाँ अभी वो आ जाए अभी आप देखिए अपने एक मूवी देखा होगा दंगल करेक्ट
हाँ,
दंगल देखा वो हिंदी है लेकिन वो हरियाणवी हिंदी है वो हरियाणवी
हरियाणवी
हिंदी
की
है
हिंदी है।
हाँ हरियाणवी आपको अगर हिंदी मालूम भी रहेगी तो आप जो थर्ड माने बाहर का होगा हिंदी जानता भी होगा लेकिन वो नहीं समझ पाएगा
नहीं
वो जो
समझ
हिंदी
पाएगा।
में बॉर्न एंड बाटअप वही समझ पाएगा जैसा उनका टोन है तो वो टोन आप
करेक्ट।
ऑफिशियली नहीं बोल सकते यू कैन नॉट यूज ऑफिशियली ऑफिशियली जो हिंदी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं और अभी आप जो नवीन बोल रहे हैं दैट हिंदी यू कैन स्पीक ऑफिशियली
यस।
बट दैट हिंदी दैट इज नॉट गुड गिव द गुड इम्प्रेशन बिकॉज वो बहुत विलेज लेवल की हिंदी माने दूसरे लेवल का है वो हरियाणवी
हाँ
लैंग्वेज
जी,
मिक्स
हाँ।
है उसमें हाँ करेक्ट जैसे भी पंजाबी लैंग्वेज है हरियाणवी लैंग्वेज है तो इफ यू लुक दैट विल बी लुक लाइक हिंदी लेकिन वो वर्ड्स जो हैं वो
हिंदी नहीं
पंजाबी
है, वो
हरियाणवी है हाँ
हरियाणवी
करेक्ट
ही है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट
राजेश
करेक्ट
जी, वो
हम्म
हिंदी जो दंगल है वो उसमें मोस्टली हरियाणवी ही यूज की है,
करेक्ट
हिंदी
करेक्ट
का है।
हरियाणवी ही वोट किया
हम्म।
करेक्ट सेम
बट हर
नहीं
लैंग्वेज में
कोई।
स्फूर्ति एंड राजेश हर लैंग्वेज में हम जब बात करते हैं उसका वो स्लैंग चेंज हो जाता है हमारा मदर टंग जो होता है उसमें हम जितना प्योरली बात कर सकते हैं दूसरे लैंग्वेज में जाने से वो स्लैंग
अरे।
थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है दो वी नो
हम्म।
हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस एंड अदर थिंग बट वो
करेक्ट
चेंज हो जाता है वो
अभी
टोन
नहीं
होता
जैसे
है
करेक्ट अभी जैसे आपको एग्जांपल अभी है अगर अभी हम लोग ना अरे आप जैसे फ्रेंडली आप बोल देंगे अरे ठीक है यार ऐसा कुछ काम मत करना कि
हाँ हाँ हाँ
इज्जत चली जाए इज्जत खराब हो जाए करेक्ट अब
हाँ
नाउ इन
हाँ
कन्नड़ा में इज्जत बोला इज्जत अरे इज्जत मेरा चला गया क्या अगर सपोज करो वो नहीं समझ पाया थोड़ा सा तो वो क्या बोलेगा अरे राजेश जी
बोल
ने
दो
बोला इज्जत चला गया मेरा क्या चला गया तो वो प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो वहां पे मुझे बहुत केयरफुल रहने का है what I am saying,
हाँ
what he is understanding. So my role is very very important. Means for
हाँ।
him that is a way, different language. And sometimes let's say suppose जब वो फर्स्ट डे नवीन ने बोला था कि सेम इन द कन्नड़ा डिफरेंट एंड तेलुगु में डिफरेंट मीनिंग है उसका तो दैट आल्सो बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी नियर टू वी आर वेरी नियर बॉर्डर फॉर तेलुगु आंध्रा तो आंध्रा आल्सो मिक्सिंग हियर दे आर पीपल व्हाट आर द कोलार साइड they are also not pure kannada that is also mixing andhra words so that is a very very difficult to manage all the things so that be
कभी
careful
कभी
रहने
डर
का
सा लगता है
है
कुछ
हाँ
गलत सा बोल दे एक लैंग्वेज मालूम
नहीं
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 रहता
आपने सही बोला क्योंकि देखिए क्या है आप जब कन्नड़ा बोलते हैं मैं हिंदी में फास्ट हूँ तो मेरा जो बीच का जो कनेक्टिंग वर्ड है अगर उसने नहीं सुन पाया तो उसका वो रॉन्ग इंटरप्रेट करेगा
मतलब ही
तो
बदल
दैट इज
जाएगा
हाँ तो मतलब ही बदल जाएगा तो द प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पे भी केयरफुल रहने का है
नो मैं एक एक्चुअली मैं एक ऑब्जर्वेशन था. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन कोई आदमी बाहर आदमी कनाडा में स्पेशली बैंगलोर रीजन में कोई आदमी कनाडा बोलने के लिए वो प्रयत्न कर रहा है ना वो टाइम में सो बहुत आपको एक सपोर्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट सपोर्ट मिलता है. सपोर्ट एनवायरनमेंट 100% मिलता है. 100% मिलता है. वो मैं देखा है. मैं very very closely I have monitored that support you will get. So उसलिए मैं मेरे को तेलुगु आता है. मैं तेलुगु उतना अच्छा तेलुगु नहीं है एक्चुअली छोटा मोटा तेलुगु नॉट प्योर तेलुगु. सो उधर मैं तेलुगु में बात करने के लिए ट्राई करने के टाइम में वो बहुत सपोर्ट देता है. वो ठीक है. वो आदमी उसको लैंग्वेज पता नहीं है उसलिए ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. बट एज राजेश सर टोल्ड दैट आप एक लेवल में हैं, ऑफिस में हैं, एक टीम का मैनेज कर रहे हैं, वो टाइम में वो सपोर्ट मेरे को पता नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, वो पूरा टाइम।
मिलता है नहीं नहीं उसमें क्या है अभी यू डिडंट बिलीव बाहर आउटसाइड में मार्केट में जाता हूँ पूरा क्योंकि मुझे वो डर नहीं रहता है अगर थोड़ा बहुत इधर भी इधर भी होगा हम कन्नड़ा में ही बात करते हैं बाहर मार्केट में
हम्म
जैसे
हम्म
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜैसे negotiation
हम्म
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
हम्म
ಜಾತಿ ಇದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾಲ್ದೆ ಬಿಡ ಜಾತಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ
हम्म
ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ನ ಮೂರು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮನೆ नहीं 40 रुपीस ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ that will go very normal
हम्म
but in
हम्म
office that is because some type people also want to agar suppose something you will do the mistake that they will catch no you are not to that time but they're very familiar they're also supporting agar suppose you ask what is the meaning they will immediately tell so now that is very good environment
ओके।
but only the keep the professional and personal that is a little bit different so due to reason I want जैसे आप
Maybe
बोले जैसे अभी
no,
हाँ
yeah, maybe no. Even I feel the same with the English language. If I'm speaking with somebody to make them understanding the language, I don't hesitate. I don't judge myself. But when it comes to delivering speeches, or maybe telling something in particular, when it comes to presentations, so that time I too have that butterfly. I too have that lot of fear. Even though I use English language for many years and I know that I have a good command, even though that kind of fear I'll be having.
नहीं नहीं English is that common language that now very and if you see the very funny language but just now I observe now how correctly you are using the grammar but if you see other place if you talk to foreigner that maybe the grammar will be up and down but pronunciation it will be different only because
Mhm.
if you pronunciation something people will judge like that who speak like that very pronunciation is very good that is at standard level is very high but that is not like that because that is the tone suppose who will come from Manipur maybe Mizoram that pronunciation will be different
Now the problem is when I'm learning English, actually, the teachers, my language teachers are very particular about the grammar. They are very particular about
yes
the,
that I observe I acknowledge that in the first day you are using very correctly and that is I think very best that your grammar is very good and I think very I appreciated that is very good
thank you. Being a teacher, especially in the technology phase, मैं बहुत मेरे को बहुत मौका मिला है मेरे को अपग्रेड करने के लिए, अपस्किल करने के लिए, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट, विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑनलाइन टूल्स। मैं इसको नो एज मेनी पीपल्स एज पॉसिबल आई वांट टू शेयर दिस जर्नी। सो इसको मैं ओनली 3 मेंबर्स है उसको मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। मैं जस्ट एसएसएलसी कंप्लीट किया। That is what my education qualification is. I just completed my SSLC, the 10th standard. So after that, I went to a diploma college, but I couldn't able to complete it because of the language. As I told you, I have studied English only one subject for 4 years. That is the only subject one subject I had for every year. The remaining subjects are in Kannada. When I went to the diploma college, I took the mechanical diploma in mechanical. For every semester, I have to study 6 subjects. All the 6 subjects in English. That's what I'm bad at. So I couldn't able to continue my education. Then I dropped out. Then
Do it now, right? You can
yeah,
do
I'm
it
doing it.
now only.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it now. So my second PUC is completed in the correspondence. Now I'm going for this degree.
But it's a great achievement, Naveen. Like
Ah,
you are from Kannada medium, you like you studied mechanical and again you did.
yeah.
It's a very great. I really feel very. It's a great achievement.
Yeah, even I feel seriously because
correct
I mean, no one
you
can
can't
judge. Like
just
you are
because
saying, yes.
just because of
नहीं नहीं
English you were not able to
no no
study that.
that, then that is what are the bad he's saying that Naveen is saying that is exactly correct if you I think if you see the one conversation available with that Sasi Tharoor and Miss Sudha Murthy if you see that conversation you see the how they both are talk when the Sudhamurti very clearly told when I was speaking with you I very afraid because I want to special dictionary for that because whatever the Sasi Tharoor is saying that is the going beyond that when you
Ah,
grammar but you see but Sudha Murthy told very that in this conversation she told very clearly wrote only for the common people. If you see what are the book written by the
Yes.
Kohamurti, if you see the language and how that grammar very very simple they are using, but
Very
if you read
simple.
anything, I think you cannot listen, you cannot, very difficult to understand Sasi Tharoor English, but that is level is
Yeah.
very high. So see that
Correct.
how both are speaking English. We are also speaking English. So what Naveen is saying sometime is a very very, I think it's very challenging and barrier, because people observe who's accent and all, then they will only pick up for that. If you go in, I think in NIT and IIT, one screening, one type, first type of screening, they will do like that only. So
And I have a dream actually.
Mhm.
I have a dream, I should go to as much interviews as possible. No, just not to select, not to get selected, to just to convince myself, I am capable enough to work in a corporate sector. I'm capable enough to clear the interview. So that is the reason I'm doing a degree, not because I want a job. I'm very much happy with I'm doing a business right now. But the thing is that self doubt, I couldn't able to clear the diploma. I couldn't able to do a normal job. People, my friends are, they're in good position, and they're in a very big companies. Some of them working in banking sector, some of them working in industries, like somebody is working in Volvo. One of my friend is working in Volvo. His name is
You come from Volvo.
definitely.
You can come after completing your mechanical
You
engineering.
come here.
No, I'll not going to complete mechanical, because whatever I have learned in mechanical, that welding, carpentry, sheet metal, I'm practicing. It's my hobbies.
Practice it. Okay.
So I did diploma in mechanical, right? So that I know CAD also. CAD and this solid edge is there. It's a software to design mechanical parts. So that I know. But the thing is, I'm very very much interested in corporates. Maybe for jobs like analyst, business analyst, the office automation work. So there I'm interested. I want to go there. I want to clear the interviews, not to get selected, just to have that confidence. Okay, I cleared this interview. Okay, just to
You
experience.
can do it.
hey,
You can
great,
manage
great,
it,
and
Naveen.
great area you selected. That is good. A lot of
Yes.
demand there.
Yes.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Thank
Best
you
of
so
luck.
much.
Okay,
All the very best.
Thank you so much for having open conversation like this, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
thank you.
Sure.
Okay, okay. Bye, bye.